Hello guys, we are back to another video. So,
I'm paralyzed.
I don't care bro. We are back to another video. I have been not uploading this this channel for wait, cut 4 months. Okay. Let's see how high can I jump.
I'm just having a great time. Oh my god! Ah!
Yeah guys, that's how high can I jump. By the way, don't forget that I put the bear, okay? He's having a great time. He's not dead, okay? Bye bye.